Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Desrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining about who can read your mind. Anand Bhaiya is asking the question. Param Shanti Bapuji. Welcome Bapuji. Bapuji, I have a question that the magicians in the world will read others' mind. That you are thinking like this. This question is running in your mind. How can they say all these things? Is it a magic or a trick or what it is? Bapuji is explaining. Today, who are reading others' mind are the people who are capturing others' thoughts and saying that you are thinking like this question is running in your mind. Actually, ordinary people can't do all these things like mind reading or face reading. Only magicians can do these type of activities. At magicians, there will some subtle world souls. These subtle world souls do face reading of others or reads others' mind. And they project rays on magicians and make them to speak. I practically met these type of people earlier. Once when I met one person like this in Ahmedabad, he asked me to think any flower name. I thought about rose. Immediately he said that you are thinking about rose. This happened very long time back. Likewise, he asked me so many questions. Once I met a big magician. I sat in front of him and I saw what was going on there. He invited me in interval and offered me some tea. I told him, what you are doing, I can see it practically. What you are doing, it is not visible, and what you are showing, it's nothing but delusion. I read about these magicians also many times. These people do tantrism of spirits and ghosts. They will have thousands of spirits with them. These spirits will help magicians in their work. Anand Bhaiya is asking. Bapuji, in Discovery Channel also they shows the people who do unnatural things and they call as superman or superwoman. What about them? Bapuji is replying. Whatever you say about superhumans, in this human life no soul will have that much power. Because soul was succumbed in these 5 elements and got stuck in this illusion. Actually people don't have that much power. But at these people, so many souls like 2000, 5000 souls work for them. These souls will make them do things like superman or superwoman. Anand Bhaiya is asking. Bapuji, some people says about future things like in coming 10 years this may happen. What is the secret behind this? Bapuji is explaining. First know what is the future. Actually, person's future will records in his soul. For example, if there is a human, his part play will recorded in his soul. Everyone's part play of his future will records in his soul, like what is going to happen. Where it get feeds? Everyone's part play get decided in subtle world. As people says that God is a fortune maker of every soul. Everyone plays their part on earth. Subtle world souls will send souls to earth to do their part play. Already they feed in their soul that what they have to do on earth and sends them to earth. That's why what the soul has to play on earth that will already recorded in the soul. Anand Bhaiya is asking, Bapuji, in Mahabharat, Dhritarashtra asked Sanjay, who had divine vision, that who will win and who will lose in this battle. Then Sanjay said, don't ask me about the future. If God wishes that every human will have the power to know about their future. According to this statement, if God really doesn't want to know the future by humans, then why these people are working against God's rule? Bapuji is explaining. Look, if a soul wants to know about his future, he can. Whenever the soul came into this 5 elemental body, then in this 5 elements, soul's power will succumb. There won't be power to emerge the recordings of soul. Human soul can't visualize their future. The subtle world 3 elemental souls like spirits and ghosts will have that power. So they can do face reading and can tell the future. But some people are misusing this power and earning money. This is true that these 3 elemental souls can do face reading of others. We find this in every religion, everywhere in world. Spirits and ghosts can visualize others' parts play because they are in 3 elements. Anand Bhaiya is asking, then why can't they change the world? Bapuji is replying, to change the world, power is needed. But who can change the world? Changing world means making mortal world to immortal. How to convert these 5 elements? To make this world to immortal, supreme elements were needed. To convert simple elements to supreme elements, supreme light is required. Who is the owner of supreme light? Who has supreme light? Only Almighty Authority had that power. Other than Almighty, no one can change this world to supreme elements. To change this world, supreme air or supreme fire or supreme ether or supreme supra elements also doesn't work. Only supreme light, divine light is required. Who has divine light? Only at Almighty Authority. In Gita it was said that Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanir Bhavati Bharatam means whenever there is downfall of Dharma and the adharma prevails, he changes complete creation. He doesn't destroy it. Some people are thinking about destruction, but Almighty doesn't do destruction. He will change us 5 elements to supreme elements and converts mortal to immortal world. Anand Bhaiya is asking, in this world, evil souls or terrorists are increasing day by day. Who will stops them? Bapuji is replying, who are evil souls? All around this earth, up to 200 to 300 kilometers range, there are a lot of evil souls. These 3 elemental spirits and ghosts are entering in humans and making destruction. Anand Bhaiya is asking, who stops them? Bapuji is replying, at last, when Almighty starts the transformation of the universe, the 9 lakh souls who are thinking about destruction, they are saying that we are meditating for peace. But inwardly they are thinking about destruction. The atom bombs are made due to these 9 lakh souls' destructive thoughts. When these 9 lakh souls on changing positive, they realize Almighty Authority. Almighty gives them power when He is in light form. And these souls becomes Param Atma and turns to thoughtless stage. Then this atmosphere changes within a second. Not only on earth, complete solar system atmosphere turns to supreme elements. Complete creation changes within 1 second. Like how a light will ends up complete darkness. Here darkness is due to ignorance. Those who are saying world drama is only 5000 years, they considered Shiv as Behad Bap, means infinite father. In Vanis it was said that infinite father talks to infinite children. Who is infinite father? He is the creator of multiple universes. They considered infinite father as Shiv. Shiv is only the creator of one solar system. He is not even creator of a galaxy. They considered Almighty as Shiv. How much ignorance is there? No one knows until who is the God of Gita. Devotee says that the God of Gita has Vishnu. Knowledgeable person says he is Parabrahma Parmeshwar. Someone says that he is the incarnation of Shiv. There are a lot of difference of opinion in Shastras due to a lot of additions and alterations in Shastras. In reality, Sri Krishna is the incarnation of Almighty Authority. Gita Bhagavan is Almighty Authority. Because of this unawareness of truth, they became ignorance. At last, when Almighty turned to gross form to unmanifested form, that is, to Virat Roop, then Supreme Light comes into infinite number of universes. Then who had recognized Almighty will gain power and turns to Param Atmas. Complete atmosphere converts to Supreme Air, Supreme Fire and Supreme Ether within a second. That's why within 1 second ignorance will ends up. Sakshatkars will start. Complete creation will transforms. Param Shanti.